Magnitude 3.5 earthquake rattles Yoruba Linda Ca. A magnitude 3.5 earthquake was reported Monday afternoon at 3:18 p.m. Pacific Time in Placentia, according to the U.S. Geological Survey. The earthquake occurred less than a mile from Yorba Linda, less than a mile from Anaheim, 1 mile from Orange and 2 miles from Fullerton. In the past 10 days, there have been 3 earthquakes of magnitude 3.0 or greater centered nearby. An average of 5 earthquakes with magnitudes between 3.0 and 4.0 occur per year in the greater Los Angeles area, according to a recent 3-year data sample.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.